Is your Galaxy S25 Ultra touchscreen working properly? Let's test it with the built-in phone diagnostic. To do so, go to Setting, swipe down from the top right corner of the screen to open up the Quick Settings panel, and then tap Setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find Device Care. Tap Device Care. Scroll down the screen. Under Additional Care section, tap Diagnostic. Then tap Phone Diagnostic to open the full list of tests. Look for the touchscreen icon and then tap it. If this is your first time, the test will start immediately. However, if you have already tested it before, tap Test again. Here you will see a grid of squares on the screen. To test it, simply tap each square or drag your finger across them. As you do, the squares will turn blue. If you manage to fill all the squares, the result will show as normal, which means your touchscreen is working just fine. This is really helpful if your phone screen feels unresponsive in some areas, or if you just want to make sure everything is working after dropping your phone or applying a screen protector. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.